and this is Jamaica Now. Police Constable Collis Chucky Brown has been sentenced to life in prison on 3 counts of murder and a wounding with intent conviction and must serve 51 years in prison before he becomes eligible for parole. Brown was sentenced in the Home Circuit Court on Friday afternoon. In passing sentence, Justice Vivian Harris said Brown committed actions of moral turpitude. On November 15, 2018, Brown was found guilty of the 2009 murder of Damoy Gotti Dawkins and the December 2012 killings of Dwayne Douglas and Andre Farron. Brown, who is now 42 years old, may not be released from prison until he is 93 years old.
Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again. Great again, countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and check your notification button. Country girl, big up yourself every time. Country boy, nuclear Rastaman. Everybody, subscriber, country squad. Now, you see where I'm taking you. Hear the little news clip, and I am still not satisfied with this case. Yo, this is a whole case. The boy Chucky Brown, the police, gets 51 years of prison. But I am reading through the different information, and I cannot understand for the love of Christ how it's only him alone in a public jail. You understand? I can't understand you have the man in a hit squad, dog, where they might take out people. Cause when you hear me talk all the time, you know, I'm going to talk about dog paw. I'm going to say, I don't like how them deal with that youth there. And enough people say, well, countryman I pick up for criminal, countryman I do this, countryman I do that. But I am concerned about our constitutional rights. And when you have police like them in our country, I commit them kind of crime, and I only one police alone got jail, and then you don't hear nothing else about it. Yo, me have a problem with that. Yo, me gonna run back through that case. Like I say, it's a old case, but that Chucky Brown brother had dog, something is definitely wrong with Jamaica. Yo, me don't know all them money do crime at Jamaica. I'm more afraid to do crime. Yo, listen to this. Them have a witness, and the boy is a drug dealer / criminal / me not even know what to say. But him is a police informant. The boy a deadly, you know. Him is a police informant. And inform on the man them in the neighborhood and around the place. So he might make link. Cause man live with him there, no, but he might make link with the police, the death squad police and the superintendent them in a Clarendon. And then, in turn, state witness and testify against the boy on our look. What is going on in Jamaica? Yo, I've never seen not this can rival, not even Sammy the Bull them, yeah. It's like, yo, at the worst set of criminal them, at the worst set of, yo, be all I know, gang member, I didn't have a dead, you know. God, appear informer. Hold on, informer, dog. Listen to this. The witness, which this are old news, but me I give my opinion and my take on this. According to the witness, he said Brown said the man where him got shot, which is Dwayne Douglas, disrespect one of the boss. Can you imagine? Me can't tell a boy to suck your girl and go, yo. You can't stop me from talk. And my right that if me can't speak and say my opinion, then we might as well live in a damn box. Yo, the man then killed Dwayne Douglas for that dog, and another man did dead, and the next man get killed. The police boy, what is going on in Jamaica? So yo, the witness saying was a vendor in a Clarendon. I said man before earlier, it's a mistake. I'm not crucifying me feet. The witness, man living up on my mind. I must have scanned down. But anyways, the witness, boy said, him there, he was a vendor. And somebody introduced him to the superintendent in a Maypen police station. More and more with superintendent. Now some of the news report them said that superintendent they dead. Him say, after the introduction, them engage him to provide information and the superintendent wanted guns. A gun the man them want. So, them say them would have given him 25,000 for a small gun and 50,000 for a big gun rifle. But what me I say, instead of the police do that, what make them not buy back the gun from people? Have a gun buyback program. That make more sense. Instead of you engage criminals in a more bullshit. You know, just getting yourself in a quagmire. So the witness said him deal with them because there was an upsurge of crime and violence. We would have loved to know that witness and name that in the parish, Rocky Point. The witness said at one time the superintendent came. What's the name of the superintendent? How come he's not charged? How come he's not being investigated? The man them crippled in the dog. Yo, Jamaica one of the most corrupt place. Free for all, dog. Come and understand this. The superintendent. Yo. No, him say, after the superintendent boy PM, him introduced him to 4 policemen. And Brown was one of the man. Him say, the superintendent give the instruction to Brown. But him and Brown exchange number, and then that's how them start communicate. Him say, him and Brown became friends over a period of time. Now, when you hear me talk about the evidence and them thing there, you understand? When the police them arrest people, when you hear me talk about it, when you hear me talk about it all the time. Now, as I said, Dwayne Brown, otherwise called Murderous, the witness tell Mr. Brown say, the policeman say him no. Douglas. Him say him know Douglas is a drug don. And the witness say him know the whereabouts of Mr. Douglas. Yo, what is really going on in Jamaica? Now, according to the witness, him say, Mr. Brown asked him if Andrew Ferran was a good youth. Now, you have a bunch of man that sit down. Yo, be Jamaica want sanitize, you know. Yo, Jamaica for sanitize, dog. Him asked the witness, the informer, if he know Ferran. And him say, is Ferran a good youth? And that Brown asked the witness, and the witness said, him a do things. And then Brown replied and said, anyway, me a go get him. Me a go take him. What the hell? What? Listen, if them just make a decision, you know, on a man's life. What is going on in Jamaica? And superintendent, where the rest of police them there, in the come can't do nothing. Them cripple in the come, yo. Yo. Let's move on, yo. You know that equation now. Now I want to hear something really, really sick and fucking disgusting, yo. The witness tell the court say December 6th him rent a car for about a week. The witness now, you know, that's why I'm telling you, you know. You see friends? A friend kill friend, you know. The witness said December 13th. The man them borrow a car for go out of town and they know what the man them a do. The witness then call the police when the man them a come back. And then call the man them and ask them where them there. How close them location is. And the man them tell him. And then him call the police Brown and tell Brown. You know follow me? The witness call the man them when the man come back in our parish. Ask them where them they walk on. After that, then the witness call the police and tell the police where the man them there. Then the police call him and say everything good 5 minutes later. And the policeman he say yeah man, everything good. What the hell is that? So the witness said minutes later, Douglas loved one them start calling his phone. You understand? And start ask a whole heap of question. Then done did suspect him. What is going on in Jamaica? Yo, this is one of the worst. Yo, I've never seen anything like this in my life. Yo, how can you live in a country like that? How can people have no one of the man them so bad? This is sick. Where is the other policeman them? All them to get charged, the superintendent. Yo, B, in the come can't do nothing. Yo, when you live at Jamaica, your life don't work nothing, dog. If police them are going like this, and dub scene, and everybody talk about it, man like me I feel hide behind the mirror. Politics watch we have to hide, because we can't show our face. If we show our face, people want to do with things and all them things there. That a go on. Yo, Sodom and Gomorrah. Leave in the comments, dog, and let me know what you think about this. Like I said, I know this is a whole case, but we just break it down deep and give my opinion. You understand? And yo, you have some sick motherfuckers there at Jamaica and some sick motherfucker in our police force. Yo, them crazy, dog. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification button.